Hello guys, thanks for visiting Sri Lanka on your social media world tour with approvedadvertising.com. Even if you didn't eat any of the Kothuroti, Kurakampittu or Manipittu, we still enjoyed having you here in the jungle. You are welcome back anytime. Also, you forgot your tower tax that was collected after your show. So I am sure you will see you soon. Bye.